So let's move on to the first part. What is Montpellier? Montpellier is a city situated in the southeast of France. It's a very old city because it was created in 985. I found some documents of Montpellier, how it was before. So you will see a paint of Montpellier, a map of Montpellier, and 4 different pictures of 3 different places I will show you later. L'Esplanade, le Jardin des Plantes, and la Place de la Comédie. So historically, Montpellier had been for centuries a strategic place. Due to its location, it has access to the Mediterranean Sea. It's facing the African continent. It's not so far from Italy and Spain. So it's a very great place in commercial trade. But in Europe especially, it's mostly known as a city because of its universities and its hospitality sectors that have been very developed during centuries. So this is an ancient clinic, this is an ancient maternity, this is 2 different universities, the Law University and the Faculty of Medicine. So today is mostly known as a student city. Students come all year in Montpellier from around the world. Montpellier doesn't really have its own culture. The city is a cosmopolitan culture. People bring their own culture and languages and share them with the others, and I think that's the main reason why this city is so nice to live as a student.